series, websites you need to know, season 1, episode 4. So this website is called ifixit.com. So repair guides for everything, written by everyone. So let's search iPhone. So let's search iPhone 12 Pro Max. So look at the guides, the repair guides. Look at the repair guides for repairing iPhone 12 Pro Max. So let's search screen. So it provides you with the step-by-step. It provides you with a step-by-step way of repairing the screen. So if you want more videos like this, click the subscribe button and like my YouTube channel. So thank you for watching.